Business Creation, a presentation for MGT01, Organization and Management. Specific discussion is on business name registration. Before going into any business venture, it is important to have your business name registered. Act number 3883, the Business Name Law, makes it unlawful for any person to use or sign on any written or printed receipt, agreement, or business transaction any name used in connection with his business other than his true business name, or exhibit in plain view in the place of his business any sign announcing his firm name or business name without first registering such name, firm name, or business name with the DTI or the Department of Trade and Industry. Violators can be fined between 50 pesos and 200 pesos or imprisoned between 20 days and 3 months. This fine could be just a small amount, but it means that you have violated the law and you are operating illegally. The DTI is the government agency tasked to foster a competitive and innovative industry and services sector that contributes to job generation and inclusive growth, and to advance the rights and responsibilities of consumers. It is one of the monitoring bodies who oversees business transactions in the country, including registration of business name. BNRS, or the Business Name Registration System, Next Gen, is created to make registration easy and more accessible to everyone. It is a web-based portal that allows end-to-end registration of business name for sole proprietors. To make business name registration more convenient, applicants may submit applications, pay fees, and download their certificate of BN registration through the BNRS NextGen. The BNRS also contains publicly available information about DTI-registered BNs that will help both the public and other government agencies check the validity of a particular BN. When you are ready to have your name registered, you can go to their website www.bnrs.dti.gov.ph, and information is also available there, including the documentary requirements for registration. Securing your trade name will guarantee you the legal and exclusive right to use it within its validity period. This is renewable every 5 years. This means that no other business can register or use your business name in the barangay, city, or municipality, region, or country, depending on your business location coverage. It is important to note that business name registration with the DTI is only for sole proprietors and not a license to run a business. In order to get a license to run a business, you need to secure a business permit plus other related documents with the respective government agencies. And mind you, the documentary requirements and processing is quite numerous and not easy to process. However, this should not deter you from starting your own business and operating it legally under the law. Let's now go into the tips and guidelines for business name creation and registration. To make your application process faster, take note of the following. The proposed business name must describe the nature of your business. Example, Linda's Parlor if the nature is a parlor. Julie's Bake Shop if the nature of the business is Julie's Bake Shop. Consists of any alphabets, numbers, and/or punctuation marks in English or Filipino and not names that we cannot understand. It must not be similar to an existing trade name, for example, Andox Lechon or Jollibee with another spelling, or Starbucks Cafe. In addition, the DTI specifically states that it is the responsibility of the business creator to ensure that the proposed business name is not a term or word or group of words that connote activities or norms that are unlawful, immoral, scandalous, or contrary to propriety, such as example, boobs, massage, and spa. Not a name, words, terms, or expressions used to designate or distinguish or suggestive of quality of any class of goods, articles, merchandise, products, or services. Example, Best Taho Factory or the only bread shop. Not those that are registered as trade names, trademarks, or business names by any government agencies authorized to register names or trademarks. Not a name that is inimical to the security of the state, example, island bombers or city hijackers. Not composed purely of generic word or words like the drugstore, the healthcare clinic. Not a name which by law or regulation is restricted or cannot be appropriated like Red Cross, Red Crescent, ISIS. Not officially used by the government in its non-proprietary functions like the NBI Private Investigation Services or PNP Security Agency. Not a name or abbreviation of any nation, intergovernmental or international organization unless authorized by competent authority of that nation, intergovernment and international organization, example DTI, meaning Ditas Trading In, or WHO, meaning Willis Home and Office Repair. Not ordered or declared by administrative agencies, bodies, or regular courts not to be registered. Not a name of other persons, example Martha's Eatery, but Martha is the owner's neighbor. Not deceptive, misleading, or misrepresent the nature of the business, so example Dino's Restaurant, but the nature of the business is a fruit stand. Those are the guidelines for creating the name of your business. Take note of them and use the guidelines in creating your own. Thank you.